Close your eyes and imagine. A country with a population of 9.5 million and more than 200 nationalities. One of empathy, curiosity, and celebrating our differences and seeing what life is like on the other side. Some may call it a dreamland. Others call it the impossible. We call it the United Arab Emirates.
I always loved motorcycles. When I was a very small child, I remember watching the bikes on the television and really being infatuated with motorcycles. My biggest concern was that the UAE would be all about work and all about career and all about making money, and that there wouldn't really be a community or friends or something other than work. And I think what I found, the motorcycle club, and I found like-minded people who have a passion for the same thing, and that's really created this longevity for me, where I now feel attached to the UAE, particularly because of that community and the friends that I've made. It feels to me like it's a very unique place. I'm not aware of anywhere else in the world where so many different people from different countries and different backgrounds are living together in peace and harmony, and I've not seen that anywhere else in the world. I think UAE has done something amazing. It's a very tough sport. It's very challenging. Some people might say that it's quite dangerous, but I mean that's all part of the challenge. You know, if something's easy to do, then it's not as much fun. You know, when you have to have discipline and mental toughness to do something, you feel a sense of achievement, and improving in a sport that's as tough as that it's a personal achievement. You know. It's hard to explain, but it's for me it's something that never gets old and it never gets boring, you know? We have an extremely diverse community, people from all sorts of different backgrounds, but ultimately, you know, if you have a passion, it doesn't matter where you're from or who you are, and the club draws all of those people together with the same passion, and we have a fantastic time. It's a really nice community that we've got. Off the track, you know, we're all friends, and it's a really nice atmosphere. You know, it's a very family-orientated place. You know, and that's the thing that I love about the club that we have.
not as good as that. I would show.
No, it's a place where you like when you put your helmet on, you go into the zone, and nothing else matters, and you don't think about anything else, and it's actually very relaxing. It removes the stress.
Completely
removes the stress.
I don't feel right if I haven't ridden on the weekend now.
Yeah, you come and
start the weekend
you have that release,
Yeah.
get rid of the tension from the week, and it sets you up for a good weekend. But people watch this and think it must be very stressful.
Yeah.
The riding for me, it feels like a complete freedom. I can't think of anywhere better to go. This is the place I want to be. That's what the UAE's done to me. My name is Duncan Creera. My friends call me Duke. I'm an insurance broker. I've been here in the UAE for 10 years, and this is the other side of my life.